here in Prescott, and I'm at one of my favorite places, one of my favorite times of year. We're talking about grilling. Joining me today is Toth with True Value. Of course, always a pleasure.
Yes, thank you for being here, Angela.
Yeah, and one of my
Appreciate
favorite
this.
topics. I love grilling, and I don't know a whole lot about it.
Yes. Well, I can tell you a lot about it.
Okay.
We have grills for anybody's needs. So if you want a smoker, just a gas grill, a pizza oven even, we even have those that just go right on your cooktop right there, and you can actually make a pizza out of it, or you can do different things with it. You can grill a variety of sandwiches or chicken or whatever you want to do with it.
So just put it right in the baker stone?
Yep, you just put it right in the baker stone, put this on and heat, and you're good to go.
This is brilliant. I don't generally talk about prices, but this is an absolutely great gift. $129 as an add-on for your grill.
Yes, it is great. It's a great, great little piece.
Yeah, I would love that gift.
It's a great Father's Day gift or any gift you want to give.
Any gift, absolutely. Okay, the other thing I don't know a whole lot about, but I hear a lot about, are these smoked wood.
Yes. Well, these are wood pellets, actually. So these go, like I have a Traeger, for example, the ones that are behind us here, and you put your wood pellets in there. They actually feed automatically through an auger system, and it helps you to you can grill, you can smoke on it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. But there's a variety of flavors. I think we have 12 different ones.
Wow.
So anywhere from hickory, mesquite to, actually we have a hunter's blend, we have a winemaker's blend. So it's actually really cool. It
season your meat. It actually changes the flavor of the meat.
It does. Yeah, it seasons your meat, but it still is a quick and easy way to do some grilling. You know, and like I said, this is my favorite time of year because you can get outside and you can go out in your patio and you can just enjoy the ambiance of the outdoors, and grilling is one of my favorite things. I actually have 4 grills in my house.
Do you really?
I do. My wife hates me, but I have 4 grills in my house.
She loves you. The food's probably wonderful.
My patio's a little bit big, or small.
Yes.
But anyways, but we do have everything else to fill your needs here. So if you want to have, a good sauce, we have your sauces. We also have your rubs that you can put on, your seasonings.
Oh, no, okay, so I saw the sriracha. I just saw the word sriracha. I love sriracha. So this is an actual sriracha glaze.
It is a glaze, yes.
Yum.
It's a barbecue glaze. Yep.
Yum.
It's actually fantastic.
Okay.
These are really neat little things, too. These are actually made out of whiskey barrels.
Oh, cool.
And you can put them in your smoker, or you can put them in your barbecue grill, and they give an added flavor to the meats that you have in there, whatever you're cooking. If you want to do vegetables or whatever. And
okay, so are you a clean person, too?
I am a clean person.
So if after you do all the grilling, you've got 4 grills, do you clean it out? Are you supposed to clean it every time?
And this is a great thing you brought up, because this is a really neat product. This is actually new for us. This is a cleansing detergent right here with a scrubber on it. So if you want to clean your grill afterwards, your grates and all that, this is a great way to do it.
All in one.
The one thing I try to do with mine is actually I'll use my Weber grill, for example, and I'll let it burn another maybe 5 or 10 minutes after the meats are off, just to get the carcinogen off. Yep.
Okay.
And then go from there. And of course, we have all your utensils and everything else you need. And you brought out some really cool products
I
here.
surprised Tom with something that I really wanted to talk about today.
Yes, you did.
So
Go ahead.
Cool. So it looks like you can grill actual chicken. Legs
your drumlets,
and also wings.
Yes, you can. And it's a nice way to get them off the grill so that they're not burning in it. And they stand up vertically, so it actually gives you more sensation and flavor.
Okay, and the last thing, this kebab stick look cool. You can use it on your oven inside or out.
Yeah, it's kind of like a fork, if you will.
Yeah,
a Sun Devil's fork. All right.
A Sun Devil, exactly.
But yes, it is. It's a great little item here, and it's easy to just put on your grill. You can put your skewers on there or your kebabs or whatever, and be done with it.
Well, thank you so much, Tom.
Absolutely,
always a pleasure. If you have not been to True Value, you absolutely want to come down here. It's everybody's little great True Value hardware store, but it's absolutely so much more. The service is impeccable. So for all your grilling needs, make sure you go to PrescottTrueValue.com.